Well, let's talk a little bit about some of the bellwether trials. I know it's been a roller coaster so far. In the first bellwether in July of 2021, so approaching a couple years ago, the jury ruled in favor of Bard. So, how did that outcome shape the litigation strategy going forward?
Well, so that's a good question. Tim O'Brien and I, along with our great trial team, our great plaintiff steering committee, put together a phenomenal trial package for the ST line of products. Of course, we can always learn from any trial, but really, I think the lesson from that trial is more of a case specific issue. That verdict was a result of very case specific facts. And one thing that I know that this broadcast will go out to not only attorneys but also people that have hernia mesh devices in their body. I think that the lesson of that first trial, as a reminder, this plaintiff, he did have significant pain. He had a lot of pain. In fact, every morning on the way to the courthouse, he would grab his abdomen in pain. The problem is that he didn't go to the doctor. And
Hmm.
a lot of these, I talked to so many plaintiffs who are just so disillusioned and, frankly afraid of additional surgeries that they don't necessarily want to go to the doctor because they just don't, these hernia mesh products have hurt them so bad, they don't want a repeat incident. And so
Hmm.
this gentleman did not go to the doctor. And so even though I know he was in pain, the jury didn't see that. There was no evidence in the record where this man had gone to a doctor and addressed his problems with pain. And so while I understand the fear of additional treatment, I think the message is, look, if you're in pain, at least go look at your treatment options and talk to doctors. Obviously your decision needs to be a decision based upon the risks and the benefits after talking to a doctor. But really, the lack of any sort of medical documents that show that this man was in pain is the reason why that trial was lost. So that was the takeaway, if I had the biggest takeaway from that case.